Dear students, you're welcome in the computer class. Today we'll start chapter 4. Let's start KTurtle. KTurtle helps you learn how to program in an easy way. You can draw figures, type text and perform simple automatic calculations in KTurtle. Just as you use a pencil to draw and write in your notebook. KTurtle uses a turtle for drawing. This turtle will draw only when you give it a command. What is a command? A command means an order or an instruction. The turtle carries out or executes the instruction or command typed by you. Starting KTurtle. So, first, to start KTurtle, just click on the KTurtle icon on the desktop. The KTurtle screen will display here. KTurtle screen is divided into three main parts. Editor, it is where you type the commands. Canvas, it is the space where the turtle moves to make your drawing. Inspector, it is where KTurtle gives you information when your program is executed. Editor and inspector. Panes can be docked to any of the borders of the main window. They can also be detached and placed anywhere on the desktop. To dock means to attach a pen to any one of the sides of the KTurtle window. This can be done by placing the mouse on the title bar of the pen, pressing the left mouse button and then dragging it one of the side of the KTurtle window. Just like here you can see docked inspector and editor. Click on the title. Okay, and you adjust it anywhere like that. Here you can see just like that. And we adjust before. Drag mouse. You can see here. And drag also to width. Next these you will find the following on the screen. Menu bar. It is the top bar on which all actions have been listed in menu. The actions are divided into the following groups. File, edit, canvas, run, tools, settings, help. The file menu is given in new, open, open recent examples, get more examples, save as, etc. Toolbar. It is also the console text box. Here you can enter one line command and press the enter key or click the execute button. First, we adjust this pane, inspector and editor. Click inside the editor pane after number first and type the first command forward 180 point and press enter key. You can see here the cursor moves to the next line. Type the next command turn space 90 and then press enter and write next command forward 1 20, press enter. Write the next command, turn space 90, press enter. Next command, forward 180, press enter. Next command, turn space 90 and press enter. Next command, forward space 120, press enter. And last command is notice the number 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8 to the left of the command. These are the line numbers. They appear on their own. Click the Run button on the toolbar or click the Run menu and select Run option or press the F5 key on the keyboard. So then I click on the Run button. A rectangle is displayed on the canvas. To save a program, do the following. Click the Save button on the toolbar or click the File and Save As. The Save As dialog box appears. Select the drive and folder, type the file name as rectangle and click the Save button. Select the drive, suppose I select desktop and file name online class and type the file name rectangle and then click Save button. You will notice that the saved program file has the extension .turtle.